Hi everyone, in this video I will quickly go over how you insert a table of contents into your Google Docs document. Start by ensuring that all of your headers or titles are marked as a heading style. So here we have my H1, which is heading 1, H2, and now we want to simply mark this by holding and dragging, and then go up here and then select H3 as this is a H3, and again a H2. Now to insert your table of contents, click up here as the table of contents will be inserted right before the text you've clicked at, and go up to insert and go all the way down to the bottom here where you can see table of contents. You have a few different options here, but as I just want a simple and logical design, I will choose this one. And now it will be easy to see which page number that the following subject is on. And that is simply how you insert a table of contents into Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.